Nongmih Khmat jong Raid NONGTUNG mynne sngi baar ki Leit ban Kynduh Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ban aiti ke dorkhas ke bat ki jingeh ki briew ke thain Kynduh khamtam ki jaka khappud ke jylla bat ru ban kren Halor ke Jingpynbeit Pud ke baar ni ke phase 2 jong ki tylli ki jaka ke badangsa kata ki kenthop ke Kynduh ke langpi ke block 1 ke block 2 ke bordwar bat ke Nongwah Mawtamur. Haba kren shikilat pathai kubor Conrad Sangma ulayat hu baka sorkar MDA kala shashkor bat yu asngo ke od ke nam ki briew hakishnong khappud ke jylla bat kan yai beteng ke jingeh kren bat ke sorkar Assam lengba Myntri Rangbah Himanta Biswa Sharma hadin ke sngi Leit lut ke India kenang ba on la rai ke babhatam na ke benta upat ba.
Jika baar ngi lekren na kabanta ka roi ka par skim ke development. Jadi sim star ila kren shai bana kabanta ki development baro na du kanika por ka bamanta na Meghalaya ro ki di bari chacha i ka bor pulis asam ki di ban penwit ban petut na kabanta ki skim ki ba ne dai bat kita ki snong ki bahan hapo ka district ini ki khat rateli snong te kaci keren cumi kita kaci keren tenang nak bentar sini kapor tengin am nama kaci kular pat coki kalong ba shen no mentangin si penbeit no bangin ya penbeit no ini put sam hakini di lihat sini di mentang tengin am setengah kata kapor teng iba ni kermen ru ba kene kaci keren kaci kene kapor kin om kan om long kaci keren ka ba leno kalong kecil keren kaba la panuan rapat ya kecil cok aku bentak ini senang sebagai jurat haki power baro haki cing berdek cing slide haki cing syai noben haki niki sorkar haki cing temetang ini keren dak syai tung ini don lah tinggal yo panis slok iki cing gambar min page perse ko bana kelem sungi ngila kerpat rubakat bom perlah ban penpek sam ni ong ban suha ban ando ya ka pulis game setai support ber ini te isim start la cuba bayam mentah nama ba ngin om ya pun kam su ngin om ya keren su ya kita ki baro ngin ya sino ba ya kamban penbek no sam ngin lai pun ba kita ki khat rateli kisnong kide kisnong kasi kide kisnong ki badan hapo ka Raid NONGTUNG ngan subatai pi kumne naman ki spa slam ki baman shwa ki kade ka snong ka subu ka snong umat ka dai hak chat du sung kata ka khat rateli kisnong te kade pat ka nongba jong ka Raid NONGTUNG pi hapo ka Raid NONGTUNG gadon lai pu sauteli kisnong te lai pu sauteli kisnong ngidon hangni ya u lim ka Raid NONGTUNG idon lai pu sauteli kisnong hapo ka Raid NONGTUNG Daya kita gikat prateli kisnong pala syat khat syak kini no syaka sorkar Assam pi te hado menta ko mengiti ba kini kapor ko menta Leit ki lakhot ingi kum kita ki bahak ko tu kecing syak kini gikat prateli kim hak ko to blok tu dengi ni wan ban keren menta kalong ba kecing kwa cui kalong ba kini gikat prateli kisnong ni kam be jaka ba kadega kisnong ki bahak ko Raid NONGTUNG hapo ka hima jong sim khairim bat hapok ka jylla Meghalaya te tang kata kecing kwa cungi namar ba habang ni phaila dekin penhap ingi si Assam ngin tip senam namar ngi deki ka culture ngi don sekasi ke ketin ketli ngimnang bagi keren baki te bat ki kam ki cinge dei bat ki ngim don ki cinge dei te ka bu i ki cinge ki pai ba ngi susna tingwan Halor kata kanu namar ngi deki kasi ngi dei ka dok senam kasi tingwa he ba ki cekakan
the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati and we will be forming the regional committees and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly, the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. The members had mentioned about development schemes and different issues. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase. That they've submitted a memorandum where they have mentioned 18 villages that are there, which should be within Meghalaya, and they expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas, and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations, and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having